I'm explaining an important topic about Docker images and Docker containers, which mostly asked in the interviews. Docker images are the static file which is built from a Docker by a Docker file, and they are simply can be called as a Docker blueprint. Blueprint other classes like oops concepts, and the Docker containers are mutable and immutable. How mutable means they are, if the Docker container is running, they are immutable. If the Docker container stopped, and we can mute them, they they can be deleted. And they are like the objects. You can create many objects, like you can create many Docker containers, and they are stored in local Docker containers. And the Docker images are more likely GitHub, Docker Hub. You can find many Docker files there, and they are created by Docker build and Docker run. Okay, they never changes, and they are stored in the layer by layer, and they also, if you run any images, they can be cached. Means they store the layer in important files, and if you run another images, some similar core part of them does not download again. This is a simple example or simple explanation about the Docker container and the Docker images.